Hey guys, Mrs. Fennell here. Thanks for checking out my video. I am super excited about this unboxing. It was a birthday gift from my daughter. It is the Atlas Coffee Club. I actually didn't even know about this coffee club until I started looking to buy some better quality coffee online, because locally my coffee is just not great. And I started seeing all these little clubs, and then when my daughter asked me what I wanted for my birthday, I thought, well, how about a coffee club? So I am super excited about this. I knew it was coming, but I haven't looked inside yet. So this is the presentation that you get, I guess. It's kind of a cute little box. Travel the World Coffee. And www.atlascoffeeclub.com. Okay, so I heard they have nice packaging. Oh, pretty, really pretty. It's exciting. Okay, what is the flavor? Honduras. Oh, yummy. I love the bag. It's very pretty. I'm a fanatic for saving coffee bags, like turning them into other things, which I'm going to do a video of here pretty soon. But oh, it's really beautiful, very pretty. And Honduras, okay. Can I smell it? It kind of does smell delicious already. And then let's see what else comes inside. I'll move the box out of the way. Okay. So is this on the camera good here already? Honduras, very beautiful picture. And then it has information about the country that the coffee came from. And it's a postcard. It's an actual postcard. How fun. That's beautiful. And tasting notes. Okay, so it tells you about the coffee. So this coffee, Honduras orange zest, milk chocolate, and butterscotch tasting notes. Roast level, light. I tend to like light roast coffee. And this coffee is grown through a cooperative of small farms. So that's fun. That's cool. And the Honduras coffee history, growing region. Okay, so that's fun. I'll have fun reading all of that. And what else do you get? Welcome to your Coffee World Tour gift. Each month you'll discover a new coffee from a new country. Okay. Scan here to claim the rest of your gift. Alrighty, well, I don't have to do that. So to claim the remaining coffees you've been gifted, scan the code. Tell us. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have put my code up there. Is this code just my code, or is this everybody's code? Well, hopefully it's just my code. Maybe I will gleam that out. Okay, so what you get then, if I have to cut that little part of the video out because I put up my code, so you get your bag of coffee, you get a postcard, which is actually a usable postcard. You get a little information card that tells you about the country that the coffee came from, that country's coffee history, which I think is fun, and information about the coffee that you got. So I don't know if you can just order this coffee separately, but I am going to look into this company more, and let me actually just, can I dig into it? So I just, and I got ground coffee because I just hate grinding coffee. It smells so delicious. I am really excited. So maybe after I've been getting a couple months or so, I will do a review on the coffee. But okay, so that's what you get. You get the coffee comes in a box every month. You get the coffee, the postcard, the info card, and the other card, which I may have cut out of the video because it had my gift code number on it to get the rest of my coffee. But okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe you will check out the Atlas Coffee Club if you find this like something you might be interested in. All right, thanks for checking out my video, everybody. Bye.